Hi everyone, Ella here. Let you know guys that we exist, this kind of behavior that is welcome to Australia Diaries. So some of you guys are asking if what is the reason why I am doing this. Share my life, to document my life. I have the energy, feeling to share her publicly. And I just wanted to watch myself grow old, and also what sense I have the, and also watch myself when I'm too old na mabook my story. Maybe there is someone na makarelate. So for now, our mainly content is about choosing yourself over and over again. So why I choose this content is because mainly for a reason na na-experience ako siya. This year, 2026, I learned, not the hard way, but I learned about detachment. So detachment is about detachment about your loved ones, friends, about friendship, about responsibility of others. So why it is needed to choose yourself over and over again? Well, hindi naman talaga dapat mahirap mahalin yung sarili natin. It's necessary, dapat lang. So sometimes in our life, we do forget to love ourselves. It's because we do something or we share our life or may ginagawa tayo, ginawa natin yung buhay ng iba. So, mas pinapahalagahan mo yung iba. You heard so much of their feelings about kung paano sila masaktan. So, this year, met quarter last year, 2025, I really choose myself this time. I choose myself not because I'm selfish. It's because throughout in my 31 years of age, I've been good enough. I've shared enough. Just like last year, for my whole existence, I feel those times that I've spent with just persons or friends, like I've been used emotionally, physically, and I just don't want to be bored or to have that responsibility this 2026. So I choose to, sorry to say this, but just that some of my colleagues, friends as well, I choose to cut off them. Sorry if you are one of the person that I choose to cut off. Maybe I was burnt out. Maybe in life, we just outgrow with this person. Like, hindi na sila naging party or wala na silang, hindi naman sinasabing ambag, or let's say, wala na silang ambag sa growth natin. Hindi na natin nakikita if ano pang silbi nila sa life natin. So, at some point, I have this friend that just to cut off. I have a friend that we have became seniors, fathers, colleagues that I really adore of. Since I am a back speaker and really a good friend, ako yung tao na napaka responsible about friendship. I do care for you, your feelings, everything you wanted. If kaya ko, I will do it for you. Kasi I'm a Scorpio, and ito yung, sabi nila, ito yung napakaganda about Scorpio person. Well, it's just that if a Scorpio person, learn to let it go, learn to cut off things. Some of our feelings really wanted to get back to the person or wanted to get back the same way, but it's just that we really a firm believer, stick to the plan talaga, or let's see if tapos na. I read this one of story or just a note in blew up. So it's just that saved me in the second hand heartache. Meet me where I am or let me go. Don't lead me to a place you know you can't attain. I don't deserve to get hurt at the expense of your unhealed trauma. I can't help you carry your pain if you're not willing to release it. Love isn't a battlefield. I'm not going to war for your heart when it's not supposed to be hard. I will stand by you while you heal, but I can't lose myself in the process. I'm not your savior. You owe it to yourself and to me to show up presently healing and a work in progress. But if you know you can't meet me where I am or provide me what I need, please set me free. I will always choose myself. I will choose peace over pain, growth over stagnation, and love that isn't weighed down by emptiness. I promise myself this year I would no longer be a casualty of someone else's unfinished healing. So that's my message. And yeah, it's time to grow up and let go that it needed to let go. Show up to yourself, be proud of yourself, and the mostly is that be contented and honor God of everything you do. So that's it for today. See you on next Sunday. Stay safe.